live in a big city. The city is very large, loud, and exciting. There are many interesting things for me to see and do every day. I think city life is very fun. In the morning, the city is always busy. There is a lot of traffic on the streets because many people drive cars or take the bus to work. Some people walk on the sidewalk because their office is near. I walk to the train station every day at 8 o'clock to go to my job. I love the weekends in the city. On Saturday mornings, I visit a famous museum to look at beautiful art and learn about history. Then I meet my friends at a small cafe around the corner. We drink hot chocolate and talk about our week. In the afternoon, we walk to a big mall for shopping. I often buy new clothes, shoes, or books. In the evening, the city is very bright with many colourful lights. My friends and I go to a nice restaurant for dinner. We eat delicious food like pizza, pasta, or salad. After dinner, we walk through a quiet park. The park has many green trees and a small lake. It is a very peaceful place in the middle of the city. Sometimes on Sundays, I visit the supermarket to buy food for the week. I also go to the cinema to watch a new movie. Life in the city is very fast, but I am very happy to live there.